Hope you're doing very good today. For those who doesn't know me, my name is Maria Pia. I'm a professional nutritionist, a life coach, a meditation teacher, and a full-time traveler. And I'm making this blog to show you different topics about wellness and how to achieve a much better, happier, and healthy life. So stick around because today I'm going to talk about a topic that will work a lot for every one of you, and that is mindful eating. So let's start talking about what is mindfulness. And probably this is a topic that you have been listening a lot or reading a lot since a long time ago. And for those who doesn't know, mindfulness is the state of quality of being aware of conscious of something. So today I want to talk about mindfulness eating, and this is exactly the same as mindfulness, but it's when you put the attention into your eating. And if you notice, every time that we are eating, usually we are not even putting attention. It's exactly the same as breathing. We do it very automatically. We are just or in the phone or in the computer or having a conversation or watching TV or working or we're driving. So we actually not even putting our awareness that we are eating. And this brings a lot of not healthy consequences towards your relationship to food, towards your digestion, and how you handle your whole food intake through the day. So today I want to explain to you how to achieve a much more mindfulness towards your eating, and I want to challenge you to make us together a really amazing challenge that I did it, and it changed my life completely, and the way I was eating and the way I was approaching every time that I have to sit down and eat my food, the approach that I have towards the food. So I hope that you can join me and you can have this amazing experience the same as I did. So let's begin. The first element is the sight. This is the first part where we can start connecting with the food. So take your moment to see the plate that is in front of you, the food that you're gonna eat and put into your body. Take that moment to connect with that food through your sight and put your whole attention and awareness to what you're seeing, like the colors, the forms, the textures, the way they combine together. The second element is your smell. So you put your attention on how it smells. And guys, this part is amazing because you're gonna start feeling all of these sensations in your body and you start producing much more saliva. So it's an amazing way to start connecting beautiful with the food. The third element is what we all love, and is the taste. And that is not that difficult because when you put a bite into your mouth, the explosions come in. So what I want you to do is to really be present in that moment and be really aware of what these sensations are inside your body. The fourth element is how it makes you feel. So that is really important to see what is the feeling you're having every time you're eating that plate. So there's tons of benefits. I really do a resume of the main ones that for me it has changed really my life, and you will gonna start slowly seeing them the more you apply this practice every day. So the first benefit is that the way you taste food is going to change a lot, because when you put the taste into your awareness, you start noticing how the real taste of food is like. So you can see that even the most simple type of food, like eating an apple, can be like really juicy and really sweet, and the texture and the taste and the way it makes you feel is so good that you start craving this type of food. And you start noticing how unhealthy food is not that tasty, and you start noticing how it doesn't make you that feel that good as you thought it was. So that's an incredible insight that you start noticing. The second thing is that you start getting fuller much more quicker, because have you noticed that when we're not putting attention when we eat, we just stuff out food, and all of a sudden we're feeling bad and we just need to lay down and unzip our pants and probably sleep, because the digestion gets really heavy, and that is because you overeat. So with awareness, you start seeing that the body tells you in many ways when you are satisfied and when you have to stop eating. So you start eating less, or you start eating what you really need in that moment. So that's a really healthy approach. And this thing helps you so much to control your body weight. It's key, really, it's key. The other thing that it helps you a lot is that it creates slowly a better relationship with your food, because you start connecting with the food in a much more deeper level when you start like seeing the food, actually seeing it, actually smelling it, actually tasting it, connecting with your emotions while you're eating, after you're eating. So it gives you a much more healthy state of mind. For those who doesn't know, I suffer from eating disorders for many years, like 8 years of my life. I was like in a really dark place towards my relationship with food. I damaged myself a lot, creating so much unnecessary pain towards my soul and towards my body, that it took me a while, I'm telling you, years of studying nutrition, of studying the behavior of the human being, to heal myself, heal the relationship I had with myself, to really understand that food is medicine, that food is our friend, that food gives us the health and give us the energy and give us all the vitamins and minerals and give us everything that we need in order to be happy and to do all the tasks we need to do every single day in order to be happy. So I have been trying, believe me, a lot of approaches, and mindful eating has changed my life, because it is a beautiful approach that is not a diet at all. It's just the awareness and the presence of our actions, and one of the most important actions that we do every single day is eating. So when you start putting in your conscious that food that you're eating is going to be part of every single cell of your body, it's incredible. It's a really game changer. So I really encourage you to start practicing this amazing approach to eat. So saying that, I want to talk about the challenge, guys. And this challenge, I hope that you all join me. Everyone that is hearing this video, join please. And the challenge is, from today you're gonna start 1 week of silent eating. And guys, I'm so excited about this challenge, because it's gonna really change your whole approach to eating and towards your health. It's gonna be the beginning of an amazing change. So take your time, 20 minutes. This is your beautiful time for you to really be present with every meal in silence, smelling, tasting, seeing, and the fourth element is the feeling. So connect with yourself on how you're feeling every time that you're eating this food. How you feel before, how you feel during, and how you're feeling after. And try to keep as much mindfulness during the day of how you're feeling towards the food that you're eating. So guys, you have 1 week to do the challenge. I please, really want to be present, so you can tag me in Instagram or Facebook as Rameliving, or you can leave a comment down below so I know that you're doing the challenge, so I can be there with you. And I'm really eager to know what is all your insights that you're having, and knowing what ways is being a much more positive state of mind and state of relationship with your food and with your body. So I hope that this worked for you. I am here for you. And remember that every Monday there's a new video, and you can find more of my tips in my blog in rameliving.com. So stick around. As always, I send you so much love from, I am in Jaipur in Rajasthan, India. So I'm sending you much kisses from here. So have an amazing week full of positivism, and please do the challenge. I beg you. It's gonna change your life. Okay, see you next Monday. Take care. Bye. Cheers.